Warren?
Yeah.
Like, I'm moving to Group 2 today.
Yes.
To see you.
Yes.
And now you're going with Group 1.
No, I'm not. I'm just helping out, eh? I'm here to help, and Joel is clearly needing some help. Joel needs to get going.
Yeah, that's done, man. You got dropped already.
Right, I need to round up my Group 2 cats.
Oh, good, so we are together.
Yeah, we are together.
Good morning and welcome to today's video, and welcome back to another day on the Western Cape of South Africa. Today we've got a bit of a shortened stage. It's the second official stage of HotChillee's Cape Rouleur, and one of the mountains that we were supposed to go over is too dangerous to ride because of the wind. Still a decent 120 odd Ks, and it's going to be another scorcher.
Dudes, Rachel, where are we going today?
We are going 118 kilometres. We're going to climb the Frankfurt Pass at 108, so I think everyone's going to be like...
I didn't realise we were doing Frankfurt Pass.
Yeah.
That's good.
Morning Francis, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good to see you in the Western Cape.
It's strange, isn't it? We don't see each other in the UK,
No,
but we do see each other here.
Morocco, Paris, Frankfurt, what's not to like though?
So this is the biggest group, 72 riders, that HotChillee have ever taken through the Western Cape. I've just gone from the front to the back. It took me about 5 minutes to get there.
You'd probably be a movie star. So here we have the, I'm guessing the junior Norwegian mountain bike team. Is that right?
It's senior actually.
Senior? But how come you don't shave yet? You're not shaving, you got no whiskers.
Eternally young.
Yeah, I'm the youngest one.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm still a junior.
Yeah, I don't think so, buddy. So what race are you out here for? Tell the guys.
We're going to race the World Cup on Saturday.
Yeah.
Down in Stellenbosch.
Oh, sweet, we're going to try and come along too.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
We're going
What's the
down.
course like? Are you feeling confident?
Yeah, we've only been one lap on the course, but it's cool. It's something different from the usual World Cup course.
Okay, so you're senior, so how old are you?
20.
20? Holy shit, I'm 54, I'm senior, buddy. So I'm just going to do this like this, see this? It's downhill already, look. Oh shit.
We're professionals, guys, we're professionals.
Turning 40.
Turning 40, now that's a proper senior.
Yeah, I'm just the coach.
The coach? Are
Trying
you
to keep up with these guys.
okay? Can I ask you, are you any good?
Me?
Yeah.
Not really.
Oh really?
It's the
Okay.
husband of...
Are these guys good?
yeah, they are good.
Good.
He's the Norwegian champion, but they're all good. Young and promising.
I was like that once.
You won a World Cup last year? You know, Mexico?
So you know Carl Platt is turning 40 on the 14th of March, so next week. So I think you should take him on.
Oh, thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, Maggie, we nearly killed the Norwegians.
Yeah, but he's
I'm Swedish.
he's Swedish from Linköping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
There's a
like him then.
Norwegian and Swedish is competition, huh? So
British.
yeah, they share borders, but
nothing else.
nothing else. Yeah. I think in the which king was it?
Vasa.
Yeah.
Gustav Vasa.
So he gave the land to Norway. He said, "You go and do what you got to do," but he forgot. He didn't drill any.
He forgot
didn't
about
drill
the
any-
oil.
He didn't drill any.
There's a lot of big weird stuff here.
I'm just gonna see if this strawberry is right. What could possibly go wrong? It seems solid. There's no cream on the top,
No?
but it.
Why don't you go higher and check?
I don't have my strawberry climbing shoes on at the moment, so if I had my strawberry climbing shoes on, I'd be
He does.
Well, I'm a bit worried about his feet actually.
I'm a 44, they're definitely a 58, but he's got, as you can see, he's probably a more wide
Wide fit.
toe box. Yeah. Is it Tuesday? It's Bike Fit. So Bike Fit Tuesday, coming to you from just outside of Stellenbosch somewhere in a crazy monkey type thing. He's obviously got knee problems. He's got feet problems. He's got crutch problems.
He's wearing his underpants on the outside of his trousers.
Yeah, well, it's cycling next for a monkey.
So we've just stopped at this weird place with the weird stuff for a coffee or a tea or a water. About 25 miles down, we're going to come up to a climb soon. It's getting hotter.
Why are you in group 1?
What's that?
What's going on?
Oh, I don't know really. It's like,
It's easier.
yeah, chill and then like it's more chatty in this group, isn't it?
You can still ride the climbs, aren't you?
Yeah.
So it's a little bit windy.
Just a bit, a tad.
We saw a portaloo just fly past a minute ago with a door open and a guy hanging onto the seat.
It's quite windy, these deep sections are not helping, but we're managing to do some upper body work.
Of course.
Us cyclists do need it, so
Good for
we're getting a bit of balance.
Good.
On your strap, on your helmet, it's flappy.
This, flapping.
It's a flappy strap.
It is a flappy strap. Flap strap. We could definitely be in worse places right now.
But I think you've got to be careful. The water looks inviting, but it's
Shark infested?
well, I think there's a few things that gobble you up, but more importantly, it's really cold, and your testicles disappear for 2 days.
For 2 days?
Yeah.
Are you speaking from experience?
Unfortunately, the gusty wind has stopped, but Francis is demonstrating that if
This is what it was like.
You're a good cameraman.
I'm not actually a very good cameraman, but I'm more than happy to learn some skills so that if I have to interview you a little bit, I can be better. Well, my New Year's resolution was to be a little more curious, so learn more things, so I can learn to be a better cameraman.
Bye, curious.
Oh, yeah. Is it like a sponsor conflict though? And you still put them underneath your helmet strap?
No, I haven't. The helmet straps are loose.
It goes with the outfit now.
Bling?
Yeah.
Tyrone, whenever you reverse,
This is how you
behind
do
you.
it. What are you doing punching? It's a bit selfish.
I don't know. I just wanted to try and see what it was like.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Means you got to chase on and stuff.
This isn't fun.
You're going uphill now.
Mate, that's cheating! You're supposed to be on a bicycle!
From the shadows of the gods, got my people on the rise. Find me up in my garage, spilling pain. Check the mirage that I've made. With more messes left to make.
That section just there was the ladies' race, and Zoe Backstead was smashing it, got away. We went with her just to keep her company, no drafting allowed. And then Josh comes booting past, so we get on his wheel. Only just stayed with you. He's strong.
Tell us every single detail right now.
Yeah, tell us it now. While you've got loads of breath. Actually, she's not out of
She's
breath.
not even out of breath.
It went up, it went down, it was flat. That's about it.
Wow, that was as good as Captain's 10-second lapses. Yeah.
So we're kind of approaching the home straight. We need to get over a bridge which has got some holes in, so we need to walk over it, and then the last GC section all the way to the bottom of Franschhoek Pass, up Franschhoek Pass, nice and steady, and then 10k descent.
I enjoyed that. Hey Josh, you enjoy it? Yeah. Good fun. Nice way to end the day. Look at the view. Can't beat
It goes on a bit, doesn't it?
What does the view?
The climb.
Time goes on and on and on.
The view goes on and on forever, really.
Yeah. Everything in abundance here. Okay, go put it in proper. It's sliding out though.
You're telling me you've got this speed machine?
Yes. Do you like my baby?
Yeah.
It is
If
super.
only it was my size.
It is super. It is super fast. In fact, I think I might have to dope to keep up with it.
So I've just come down here, ordered a drink, Savannah Dry, got made fun of by the waiter, saying it was a girl's drink, but these guys are sat here with these.
What are these?
What even are they?
I've got dressed up tonight as well. Big night.
He is dressed up, isn't he?
Tony, I've got a nice.
Are you meeting someone later?
Hopefully. It's a long night. You never know who you're going to meet when you come out. Awkward pause.
We've met Fernando. We get a lift. It's a taxi service. It's the best taxi service in the world ever.
No.
There you go.
My man.
I am as confused as you are right now.
You're right. Can you help me with your name again? No, please. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. No, there it is. Mary, go.
We two days, maybe like.
Are we invited again?
Yes, please.
Man.
Please.
Got a new. No.
Make sure
The new handshake. We do that. You know it.
Yes, I do.
Shit,
I go for it.
It was very nice.
Enjoy the rest of your evening.
That.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
Yeah. That's like a thumb war.
You know what?
Thumb war.
Are we waiting for
Oh.